It's a day before Christmas, and we'll start off with our breakfast at Holiday Inn Express, Olympia Park. So, this is the hotel where we are staying in Munich, the Holiday Inn Express Munich Olympia Park. The location is very accessible. It's very close to the Olympia Park and also very accessible to bus stations, to train stations, and also very close to the center of Munich, which is the Marienplatz.
There are boundaries, I will try to knock them down.
It's an early December morning. No one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow. And I realize as you hand me the door, we got by. Falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard. But I ain't complaining, it's a wonderful.
Dalawa pala yung ano ko nandun, yung tripod.
Isip mo na naman. Ako, ma'am.
Good. We are in an Asian restaurant.
Gusto mo yung surprise.
This is like stir-fried beef. With lots of sauce. Good for today. Speed. So that's Thai curry, something like that. Seafood. Good. yaman-yaman ni Raymar. Bumili pa siya ng ano, ng isa pang aircons, pang regalo. Diba, sosyal. Oh, nag-shopping si Raymar. Oo, super shopping. Ang dami niya kasing euro.
Normal na lang sa akin
Ang
kasi.
baon niya kasi 5,000 euro.
Hindi, 8 yata yun.
8,000? Ah,
Pesos.
taray-taray, no? Saan tayo
Bibili pa kami
mag-exit?
ng pork.
Bibili pa kami ng pork niya. Ah, kabila pa. So, yeah, we just finished our shopping. It's the Olympia Shopping Mall. Olympia, or in German, it's Olympia. I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's in English. It's Olympia Shopping Mall. This mall was built in 1972 during the Munich 72 Summer Olympics. So the prices, they're pretty reasonable compared to Doha prices.
Relatively cheaper.
Yeah, it's relatively cheaper. My God, I couldn't see. It's pretty cold and it's also raining. That's why I have to cover my head. I just realized that, you know, it's so difficult with having this kind of weather. I don't know if I can I can survive if I live here. Yeah, so that is the mall. So that was the mall. It's few walking distance from the hotel we're staying. Okay. I couldn't see. Huh? What is that?
Parang hindi na.
Oh my. Okay. So it's one more day before Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. I wish you a wonderful Christmas celebration. And of course, for the new year, I wish you all the best and all the successes in life. So thank you so much for the continued support on my channel. And yeah, I hope we'll continue to grow more subscribers. That's why keep on watching, keep on sharing my videos for more subscribers in 2022. A few days left and we are going to welcome the 2022. It's raining. So we're just walking back to the hotel. It's just few distance, walking distance. So we head back there. Just rest for a while and then move to another location. We don't really have any plans, so it's just random, you know, going to mall, some attractions, but it's difficult to go out these days because it's raining. Anyway, I have to end this now. Thank you so much once again. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. God bless you all. And have a great day. Happy New Year. See you again soon. Bye.